Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to connect CNN on Roku in 2025 so you can stay updated with the latest news right from your TV. Whether you have a Roku streaming device or a Roku TV, this guide will make the process easy. Let's get started. Install the CNN app on Roku, turn on your Roku device, and make sure it's connected to the internet. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Scroll down and select Streaming Channels to open the Roku Channel Store. In the search bar, type CNN and select the CNN app from the results. Click Add Channel and wait for the installation to complete. Activate CNN on Roku. Open the CNN app from your Roku home screen. You'll see an activation code displayed on the screen. On your phone or computer, go to www.cnn.com/activate using a web browser. Enter the activation code and select your TV provider, if required. Sign in with your TV provider credentials, and your CNN app will be activated. Watch CNN without a cable subscription. If you don't have a traditional TV provider, you can still watch CNN on Roku through live TV streaming services like YouTube TV, Hulu's Live TV, Sling TV, DirecTV Stream. Simply install one of these apps from the Roku Channel Store, sign in, and access CNN Live. That's it. Now you can watch CNN on Roku anytime. If this guide helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. See you in the next one.